Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we will do the practice of simple subject and complete subject both. So let's start the proceedings. Now you are seeing 5 sentences. Number one, we go to school at 8:30 a.m. Ran inside quickly. The fat cat ran inside quickly. Number three, the bakery near their house has tasty cakes. Number four, every student finished the exam. Every student finished the exam. Number five, the beautiful bird is in the cage. Dear student, here you will pause the video for a few seconds. Pause the video and find the simple subject in these sentences. I think you are ready now, uh, and you have find the simple subject in these sentences. So match your answer with my answers. Here we go. The sentence number one. We go to school at 8:30 a.m. What is the action in this sentence? Go. And who is doing the action? We. So we will be our simple subject because it is one word and main word of the sentence. In sentence number two, the fat cat ran inside quickly. What is the action in this sentence? Ran. And who is doing the action? Cat. So cat will be our simple subject because it is main word and one word. In sentence 3, the bakery near their house has already the bakery near their house has tasty cakes. So what is the action in this sentence? Has tasty cakes, and who has the tasty cakes? Who is doing the action? Bakery. So bakery will be our simple subject. But here is another situation that here house is also present. Here house is also present, and it seems like it can be another. It can be also a simple subject, but the main difference is that the bakery is doing the action and house is not doing the action. The house is not directly involved into the action. Who has the tasty cakes? Bakery, not the house. So bakery is our simple subject. The next sentence, every student finished the exam. So what is the action in this sentence? Finished, and who is doing the action? Student. So student will be our simple subject. In the next sentence, the beautiful bird is in the cage. What is the action in this sentence? Is in the cage, and who is doing the action? Bird. So bird will be our simple subject because it is one word and main word. So you see that how easily we find the simple subject, and I hope that with this practice you have the good idea that how will you find the simple subject, और आप बड़ी अच्छे तरीके से जो है simple subject को तलाश कर सकेंगे. Now we will practice the complete subject. So let's start. Here we will take the same sentences as we have taken in the case of simple subject. The sentence number 1, we go to school at 8:30 a.m. We go to school at 8:30 a.m. Number 2, the fat cat ran inside quickly. Number 3, the bakery near their house has tasty cakes. Number 4, every student finished the exam. Number 5, the beautiful bird is in the cage. So again pause the video and find the answers that is complete subject. So after that match the answer with the correct one. I think that now you are ready. So let's start the proceedings. In sentence number 1, we go to school at 8:30 a.m. Here, what is the action in this sentence? Go. And who is doing the action? We. So we will over complete subject. Now, in this case, you were just thinking about this fact that we is a single word and one word. But in this case, there is no replacement of we. No other word can modify or describe we. So we will take we as a complete subject. In the sentence number 2, the fat cat ran inside quickly. What is the action in this sentence? Ran inside quickly. And who is doing the action? The fat cat. Now you are saying that in this case we will take all the words which are describing the subject. Cat was a simple word. We find it as in the case of simple subject. But now they and fat are describing the cat word. So we will take these words with this, and this whole uh, thing will be over. This whole these all these words will be over complete subject. In the next sentence, the bakery near their house has tasty cakes. What is the action this sentence? Has tasty cakes. Who is doing the action? The bakery near their house. So as you are seeing that we are taking all the words which are describing or modifying the subject. So in the case of simple subject we took only bakery because it was the main word and one word. Now we have taken all the words which are describing the subject. So the bakery near their house will be the complete subject. The next sentence, every student finished the exam. Every student finished the exam. What is the action in this sentence? Finished. And who is doing the action? Every student. So every student will be our complete subject in this sentence, and we will take all the words which are describing the subject. So in the last sentence, the beautiful bird is in the cage. What is the action in this sentence? Is in the cage, and who's doing the action? The beautiful bird. The beautiful bird. The beautiful bird will be our complete subject because it has all the words which are modifying or describing the subject. So, my dear student, I think that now you are in this position that you can easily find simple and complete subject and practice this uh, more and more. So, in this way, you can uh, get the command uh, in the English grammar and to find the some simple and complete subject. So, please subscribe this channel and share with others so that other students also get the benefit. uh, Till the next lesson. Khuda Hafiz.